Additionally, Microtome machine has different types of knives that are made from metal, such as razor blade, or non-metal such as glass or diamond, to cut different degrees of hardness tissues with embedding media, with high-quality sections. These knives are 4 types. 1. PLANO CONCAVE Use for celloidin sections. 2. BICONCAVE Use for paraffin sections. 3. Wedge knife Use for paraffin and frozen sections. 4. Tool edge Use for hardness tissue such as bone, as mentioned in next slide. So, the principal work of Microtome machine have 4 steps. Firstly, put tissue on sample holder to cut. Then, downward blade knife for cutting sections. After that, withdraw sections from blade. And finally, upward blade knife to delivery sections, as mentioned inside slide and next slide. Thanks for attention. Please like and share and subscribe Genetic Teacher videos and channel. And for any question, please write comment.